Want to change the font in Elementor? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily customize your site's typography like a pro. Start by opening your browser and heading to the WordPress admin panel of your website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then go to All Pages. Choose any page from your website that you want to work on and click on the Edit with Elementor option attached to it. For example, I chose the home page and clicked on Edit with Elementor. Once the home page and its Elementor editing panel appear, select this section and click on the tiny pencil icon. This will change the left-hand side menu to the Edit section panel. In this panel, click on the Style tab. Under this tab, find the Typography option. You will see another small edit icon available. Click on it to expand the typography options. Here you will see a drop-down box under the Family option. From this drop-down, you can select any font style. As soon as you change it, you'll see the writing or headline on your page change to the new font style you selected in real time. You can tweak and set any font style you want. Once you're satisfied with the changes, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Publish. For more settings, go to the top left corner of the page and click on the Site Settings option. In the new menu, you will see an option called Global Fonts. Click on it, and under the System Font section, you will find an option called Primaire. Click on the tiny Edit button next to it. Here again, you will see similar options as before. Under the Family option, you will see a drop-down menu where you can select any option you want. After changing the option, click on Save Changes. That's it. You're all set to change fonts in Elementor. You see, in Elementor, professional design meets simplicity. That's why I use Elementor. Tap the affiliate link below and start building beautiful websites in minutes. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.